Oh, she wasn't? Somebody else did it?
She had that one set aside that was supposed to be her. And one of her coworkers was like, oh, this needs to go. This is, get ready. So they did it. Ariel gets to work. Was like, oh my god.
I know. We're like, well, oh, it turned out, yeah, it turned out great. Because they were like, well, the only thing was the sides, I know. Oh, I bet you did. Well, the only thing was the sides were the same, but it was okay because it hit the edges of the box when it was being moved. So I didn't know, like, whether the sides had actually been done because they had to fix it. So, okay, then good.
Perfect, yeah.
Go ahead and tell her. Yeah, well, it didn't matter. They had to smooth it out, so even if she'd be able to do the waves, you wouldn't be able to tell.
One more with the front.
I like it. Or just go for like 3 or 4 minutes. I'll edit it.
There you go. Smile. Cheers.
I'll edit it in the back. It's beautiful.
Oh, she does?
Morning, oh, this is getting due. This is done. I don't want to wait until the last minute to get everything perfect. Yeah. Did that cake. And she got to work and was like, oh my god, something hurts.
And the sun just cuts through everything. The sun in that moment and that image cuts through everything. That's really fun.
I'm so glad that cake turned out.
Well, that's not the sun, that's a reflection of the light behind you, but that's cool, it works.
Yeah. I'm just going to grab 3 minutes of this. That will be more than enough for whatever I need for any project that I do in my class.
Yep. She can no longer freelance, but that's her, yeah.
It's surprisingly a nice camera.
You got the beggars to beg, she'll decorate. She's holding an ace in the hole right now.
I love getting the wires in there too, because that's also very 1940s. Like, it'll keep. Especially telegraph wires, sort of thing.
It's just going there, act like she knows everything. She's letting them teach her the way that they want her stuff done. But the next time she's up for a raise or promotion, that's when she lays out her portfolio to have all this stuff that I've
Alright, so maybe I'm grabbing 5 minutes.
I'll probably just groan and bubble something.
Do you know my dad told me that when I was little about fitness friends? So I used to run up and pick moonshins all the time. I didn't know. And then I found out later that one of his shares actually had holes in it. So moonshins were one of them.
I am really impressed, actually.
I'll remember that.
Chicken and marmalade for the crackers. And then like, jalapeno, olive, and like...
Right.
And salmon and seafood.
Yes, that was really well done.
Represent like flour people.
Just taking some weight. Thank you.
This is really fantastic.
Are Are you capturing the scenery, by the way? Not just looking at that screen? It's
Yeah.
really nice.
Tell me you see that movie.